Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Kyla.
Darcy, can you lead us a prayer?
Let's go our then. Amahan namin din kami pagkagawa ang ito po. Hoping dalawa pinagay po kami ng mga gusto kami pagkakaroon ko yung kasawang pagmamahal kami ng mga piyaya sa mga dito. Ama, hindi po kami lang sa tural para sa mga namin. At mga pagkakaroon po kami sa bawat araw ng karaan. Ganun po kami ng kanin mo at yung tuloy ng tuturuan. Salamat po mga kami. Salamat po mga kami. Kailangan po sa
Again, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Kyla.
Okay, class, before you take your seat, kindly pick up a piece of trash under your chair and align your chair properly. Did I give you an assignment last meeting?
Yes.
Please pass it forward. Gemma, is everyone present today?
Yes, ma'am. Everyone is present today.
Very good. So before we proceed to our topic for today, let's have a short recap. So anyone in the class still remember what we discussed last meeting? Yes, Ev.
Our topic last week is about solving multi-operational mathematical equation using the rule of PEMDAS.
Very good, Ev. And what does PEMDAS stands for? Yes, Kim?
Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction.
Very good, Jim. So before we proceed, let's have a short activity. So class, before that, where do we usually hear the word substitution? Yes, Julius?
We are going to change something.
Other answer? Yes, F?
Ma'am, when the teacher speaks, there's a substitute teacher.
Okay. We usually hear the word substitution in sports, right? In basketball, volleyball. So we substitute the player because maybe they are tired or they need a water break. So here, our activity for today is called Fill Me Please. So you are going, I have here alphabet A to Z, and each letter has its value. All you have to do is to substitute the value of each letter to come up with the answer. So who wants to try for number 1? Yes, Gemma. You are going to substitute the value of each letter. Thank you, Gemma. Who wants to try for the second one? Yes, Nicole? Okay, class, while your classmate is answering in front, you can also substitute the value of each letter and to come up with the answer. Very good, Nicole. Who wants to try for the third one? Yes, Jenny? Very good, Jenny. Who wants to try for the fourth one? Yes, Jim? Who wants to try for the last one? Yes, Seth? Very good, Jim. Very good, Em. So, Glad, what can you say on our activity? Yes, Gemma?
I found the activity quite difficult, interesting.
Okay. Yes, Nicole? What can you say on our activity?
Learning is entertaining and
And it's more on what? Yes, Dean?
It is more on substitution and evaluating the value of letter.
That's right. And it's more on substitution and evaluating. And that is our topic for today. So can I remove this class?
Yes.
Jersey, kindly read this.
Evaluating algebraic expression. To evaluate an algebraic expression means to find the values of the expression when the variable is replaced by a given number. To evaluate an expression, we substitute the given number for the variable in the expression and then simplify the expression using the order of the operation.
Okay, thank you, Jersey. So, to evaluate algebraic expression, you just need to remember two things. First is to use the substitution method, and second is to follow the operation, which is PEMDAS, parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, class, for you to understand our topic, let's have an example. So class, what is the first thing to do? Yes, Jean.
Substitute the given, substitute the given value.
Okay, the first thing to do is we substitute the value of each variable. So 4x times 4x is equals to 4 times 5 plus 5 times 1 plus 0. So 4 times 5 is equals to 20. 5 plus 1 is equal to 5. And we are just going to bring down the 0. So 20 plus 5 plus 0.
25.
So our answer is 25. So let's have another example. What is the value of x?
4.
And what is the value of y?
2.
5 times 4?
20.
6 times 2?
12.
20 plus 12?
32.
And our answer is 32. So I have here some example. Who wants to try for number 1? Yes, Gemma? Can I remove this class? Gemma, can you explain your answer?
Ma'am, since x is equivalent to 5 and y is equal to 1, I just substitute the given for x, which is 5, y is equal to 1, and then proceed with the operation, which is subtraction, and then substitute the y. Since, so we're going to 5 times 1 plus the 5 and then minus 1, bring down the 1, then minus 1, and then perform the operation, which is resulting for 2.
Very good, Gemma. Let's give a clap for Gemma. Who wants to try for number 2? Yes? Yes, Jean?
divided x over 5 plus 6 plus y cubed. First is I substitute the given to this equation. 5 divided over 5 plus 6. Then 1 cube is 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 8.
Very good, Dean. So let's give a clap for Dean. So who wants to try for the third one? Yes, Seth? F, can you explain your answer?
We have the equation of 2x minus 3xy plus 4y. We have values of x is equal to 3 and then y is equal to negative 5. So substitute, we have 2 times 3 minus 3 times 3 times negative 5 plus 4 times negative 5. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6. And negative 3 times 3 is negative 9 times negative 5, we have a positive 45. Then 4 times negative 5, we have negative 20. So negative 20 plus 45, we have positive 25. Plus 6, we have an answer of 31.
Very good, F. So let's give a clap for F for 8. So class, what are the 2 things that we need to remember in evaluating algebraic expression? Yes, Julius?
Substitute when the famous.
Okay, substitute. We use the substitution method and follow the rule of PEMDAS. Okay. So it seems that you really understand our lesson for today. So I have here 2 paper, which means I will divide you into 2 groups. So inside this paper, there's a message, okay? And just like what we did earlier in our activity, each letter has its value. And also each letter has its equation that we need to solve for you to come up with the message, okay? So this will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. So do your activity silent. Okay, class. You all are very good for doing your activity. You all got the correct answer. So, class, do you learn today?
Yes.
Do you have any question?
None.
If none, then goodbye, class.
Goodbye.
Thank you for teaching us.